Mothers, if you are looking for what to add to your kids' lunchbox now that school has resumed, please try these banana muffins. They are so nourishing and so sweet. Your kids will love it. Just watch this video to the end and you see how I made these lovelies. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, I'm making these yummy banana muffins. Kids are going back to school. Parents are looking for what to put in their lunch bag or lunch boxes. And these banana muffins should be one of the things you should be able to put in your child's lunch bag or lunch box. It's so easy to make, it doesn't take time. You can make it overnight and keep and put it in the microwave in the morning, or you can make it in the morning as soon as you get up. So I have my bananas, flour, melted butter, cinnamon, sugar, egg, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. But it's going to be in two segments. First of all, I'll blend the bananas and the butter, egg, and sugar. But if you want to mash your own with your potato masher, you can do that. For those of us who don't really like taking banana, blending banana is the best thing for us. So now I'll just blend before I continue. So just cracking the eggs, just using one egg. But if you want to increase the quantity, you just double it. This is the melted butter. And I'll add sugar. If you are a sweet tooth, you can add more, but I'm just using 2 tablespoons of sugar because you know banana is sweet. And I'll take some pinch of, I'll just take a pinch of salt and then I'll add it to it while I blend. So guys, this is the banana puree. Wow. See how smooth it is. But if you want to have some of the lumps, you can just mash yours instead of blending. So now you just fold in the flour and the other dry ingredients. This is what we have here. So I'll just take in 2 cups of flour. And I'll sieve it in. Kids will really like this if you can make it for them to go to school. They can take it with hot chocolate or hot milk, or even their drink, their fresh juice or bottled drink. So this is baking powder. One teaspoon of baking powder, then half teaspoon of baking soda. Then I'll be adding cinnamon, or you can use vanilla essence, any of the flavors that you want. I'll be adding just half teaspoon of that. Then just gently fold it in. You don't really have to stir so hard. Just continue to fold it in easily. So guys, this is what we have here. So guys, this is what we have. Just fold it in gently. Don't add too much of energy in doing that. This is our muffin pan and the muffin sheets. Like I said, if you don't have a muffin paper, you can just use your muffin tray alone. So now you scoop. Don't overfill the paper so it doesn't bake and spill over. Just add it like half, or not up to half. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Make this for your kids to go to school or for their breakfast, and they'll thank you so much. Back then, my kids used to enjoy this a lot. It was one of their favorite snacks I put for them when they are going to school. This will take like 15 to 20 minutes to bake on medium heat. Just have to preheat your oven. Then when you are ready, you take it in. Kids who don't like to eat banana, when you do this, they'll eat banana by fire by force. So people like us, I don't know why I don't really like taking banana. This is the only way I get to take it. Wow, remaining one. To spice it up, I have this almond seed. I'll just add one on top. It's already on. I'll now take it there so you can start baking. So you preheat your oven. I'm using low, medium, high, so it's on medium heat now. 10 to 20 minutes, this should be baked. So guys, this is 25 minutes. I put the muffins in the oven, and guys, see how beautiful they are. It is so baked. Let me bring it out. So guys, this is our banana muffins. Allow it to cool before I take them out from the muffin papers. You don't have to eat with it. This is what we have. So you can try it and add to your kids' lunch box. If you have watched me up to this moment, guys, and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you've been following me, thank you so very much. I love you all. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing, and always give the video a thumbs up so that you see more. So guys, this is what we'll have. I'll see you in my next. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.